Hey everyone, I made it into Costco. So look right here, 3.5 gallon tropicals are going to be $35. So nice. It is amazing. She is stunned. Oh, I want to get one of these. I love these right here.
Oh yeah, those are pretty. Yeah, but I totally especially if you get a bunch of them. Right? Oh, you're right. Well, good things.
280 the low smoke. Okay. 304 stainless steel, lifetime warranty. Really nice color for $50. It does have pre-drilled holes, so you don't have to worry about it. Weather and frost resistant and holds up to 40 dry quarts. So if you're looking for a TV for Super Bowl, you know, 1,200. It's gonna be this bad boy on top. Halftime show action. You have the sound bar for 680. Google and Alexa assistant, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth enabled. And 1,700 for the Sony 85-inch. Another Sony 85-inch 4K UHD. And $3,000 we have the Sony. Now this one's going to be a 77-inch. And 1,800 we have 75 LG 4K UHD QNAD. So the Samsung soundbar is 250. The portable Bluetooth speaker will be $90, ends on the 15th. Your limit will be 3. A micro cut shredder is going to be $109. This one is a 7-gallon. Credit card, paper clips, CDs, DVDs, shred everything. All-in-one touch screen HP is 550. Now this one ends on the 22nd and your limit will be 5.
It's touch screen. It doesn't work.
Double tap maybe?
Wow.
That seems kind of hard. Like I have a Lenovo and I barely graze it. That thing touches everything. A wireless printer. Print, copy, and scan. Hey, 130. Just gave me an idea because I do have like the copy and scan printer at home, but ours is pretty big. Look at how tiny that is.
Ours are fast, dude.
Oh yeah. $59.99, $60. Your limit is 5 for 26 to 55 inch TV wall mount. You can swivel right, left, up and down. Think you can tilt it up and down?
No tilt.
It says tilt down. There we go.
Tilt it. And then here's the actual swivel itself. So it extends out. Well, it's a little tough because you know it's for a heavy TV.
Yeah. So $100 for the large full motion 37 to 90 inch TV wall mount.
Look at the swivel back here. It's like double arm.
Oh yeah,
It's
compared to
same
the other
thing,
one.
But it's got two of them, yeah. So it's probably more
I feel like it moves better.
smoother.
Pokemon 100. The Xbox bundle is still here for 300, and of course you get the headset. Okay, what do we have? The double oven 3,800. It's like a tiny one. I do like a double oven. I feel like they need to be bigger though. I kind of want it on the wall, just like one large one. That one's not that big for me.
That's an odd trend, picking the colors of your handles and stuff. I wonder how quick that'll date. You know,
Oh, the handles?
Yeah, how quick it'll look dated. Just because you remember, like in the 50s, it was all pastel colors and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Was that an air fryer too? Steam clean, let's see. Roast. Oh. It's a new one. And here is the dishwasher, right? 1,400. A new fridge. There's gonna be 3,550 by the cafe. I've never even heard of this brand. They have lock controls, water, hot. Oh, really?
That's cool.
That is kind of cool.
Let's see how big the ice machine is.
I'd say it's kind of like the same size, comparable to everything else.
Yeah, a little bitty one.
And the freezer. I feel like this is kind of tiny because we have the bottom freezer. We have like 3 different. The lamp is still around. The wireless charging desk lamp, 3 color modes for $40. And this one is around too for $40 with the storage. So here is a new hair dryer. We had the first free for $30. Just so many hair dryers, right? I mean, the Shark one is still here for $180. I haven't seen the curling iron, only the flat iron for $70. The Revlon is still around, not a fan. And this one's going to be $100. So in this Costco location, they do have the king mattress, which is going to be $730 for the mattress only. Which, you know, still a good deal for a king. Nespresso. Okay, this one's going to be $200. The Vitamix with the 2 tumblers is $300. Limit 5 ends on the 13th. So it looks like the 7-piece set is $350. Cookware set, 3 pans, 3 lids, and a wok. Non-stick dishwasher safe. Does he make that?
Yeah, I guess that's his company. Or is the model.
Hex Club. PFOA free. And $24 for the thermal bottle, the Stanley. Alright, this is new. A 4-piece quilt set. It's actually quite nice. This is for a king, which is going to be $89.99, so I'm just going to round that to $90. It's like a leather pillow. The non-skid floor runner is going to be $23, $22.99. And the palm tree is $120. It kind of looks real from far away. I mean, you do got the base, little dirt there. Alright, you guys, this is going to end the video here in this Costco location. $850 for the vanity. Look at this tiny one. It is going to be $100, little side table. And this bad boy, $400. It is really nice. I can't stop looking at it. I feel like maybe you could stain it if you really want to. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. And if you're looking for socks for women, they're no show for $10.50. Ends on the 16th. Your limit is 10.